Hi everyone, welcome to our JL Property channel. In this particular video, we'll be showing you our property refurbishment journey so you can see where our mistakes were, what things we could have done better.
We will be showing you what we did during the first couple of days of owning the property, which is mainly removing the wallpaper.
Now, to remove wallpaper is actually really expensive. Do you remember how much it was, Lizelle?
About £200 per room.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
£200 per room.
200?
Yeah, so we agreed that it was quite a lot, quite expensive, wasn't it?
Yeah, per room basically,
So,
yeah.
and even my dad agreed it was quite expensive, so he came all the way down to help us.
All the way from London. Your first house on the property ladder. All these steps are shitty, so let's just open up one of them and see how it looks. Okay, let's have a look. That's all old lath. We screw them in. Maybe that one. Now, someone recently told me that removing wallpaper is easy, but I kind of disagree with that. I was wondering what happened. I thought Turkey earthquake happened. And that's why we keep the camera on. Yeah, it should be. So maybe outside. So before this video finishes, we thought we would give you some useful tips about property. Tip number 1, putting the bills in your name and separating any previous debt that may be put against your name. Tip number 2, change the locks for the front door. Tip number 3, do not try and tackle the whole property refurbishment journey by yourself. Basically, know your limits. And the final property tip, check for any water leaks coming into your property and solve the water leak or leaks as soon as possible. And speaking of water leaks, if you'd like to see how we find and identify a water leak in this house, please like and subscribe to support our channel and to see the next video.